Hello, friends. In this episode, we will learn the song Mone Ki Didha Rekhe Gele Chole. This song falls under the category of Prem as classified in Gitobitan. This song was written at the last stage of Rabindranath's career as a songwriter in the year 1937. This song is based on Rag Iman Kalyan and is set to a tal which goes as 2-2. So this can be called Ardhokaharba. This tal will not have a khali or a phak, and it will only have beats which will go 2 and 2. Mone ki didha rekhe gele chole, if translated to English, the first two lines will. Let me first give you the Bengali line, which says, Mone ki didha rekhe gele chole, shedin bhora সাঁঝে, jete jete দুয়ার হতে, কি ভেবে ফিরালে মুখখানি, কি কথা ছিল যে মনে. If translated to English, this would roughly mean, you went at dusk with what uncertainty in your mind? What made you pause and look back? What words did you leave unsaid in your mind? If you see the time for which this song is written, it is Shedin Bhora Shajhe, or it's dusk. And that is the reason why this song is based on Rag Iman Kalyan, which is also an evening raga. Now let us learn the first two lines of this song. Mone ki didha rekhe gele chole, shedin bhora সাঁঝে, jete jete দুয়ার হতে, কি ভেবে ফিরালে মুখখানি, কি কথা ছিল যে মনে মনে, মনে কি দ্বিধা রেখে গেলে চলে. Let's sing it once more. মনে কি দ্বিধা রেখে গেলে চলে, সেদিন ভরা সাঁঝে, যেতে যেতে দুয়ার হতে, কি ভেবে ফিরালে মুখখানি, কি কথা ছিল যে মনে মনে, মনে কি দ্বিধা রেখে গেলে চলে. Okay, sing the first two lines first and then we'll go to the next line. Sing with me. মনে কি দ্বিধা রেখে গেলে চলে, সেদিন ভরা সাঁঝে, যেতে যেতে দুয়ার হতে, কি ভেবে ফিরালে মুখখানি, কি কথা ছিল যে মনে মনে, মনে কি দ্বিধা রেখে গেলে চলে. Okay, and if I go to the details of the notation, there are 2-3 places where I should mention. The first one is মনে কি দ্বিধা রেখে গেলে, রেখে গেলে. Okay, if I have straight notes, this will sound like this. মনে কি দ্বিধা রেখে গেলে. So all the words will be on ga. Mone sare ga ki didha continues as ga, ki didha rekhe gele. Okay, so this is the basic structure. Now you have two touch notes here, which is re. One is on rekhe, one is on re of rekhe, and one is on ge of gele. So since you have those touch notes, you should sing the line like this. Mone ki didha rekhe gele, rekhe gele chole. Okay, just sing the first line. Mone ki didha rekhe gele chole, shedin bhora shanche. Similarly, see, bhora also has got a touch note with re. Okay, so again, if I have the straight note, it will sound like this. Shedin bhora shanche. Instead of this, you have a touch note re, which will make the line like this. Shedin bhora shanche. Okay. Now, if you go to the third line, it says, Jete jete duaro hote. You have pama gama ga. Okay, the ga is a sparsho, is a touch note. Jete jete duaro hote. Okay, so this adds sweetness to the song when you sing it with the touch notes. Okay, now let's sing the first two lines. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Mone ki didha rekhe gele chole, shedin bhora shanche, jete jete duaro hote, ki bhebe phirale mukho khani. Ki bhebe phirale, ki bhebe phirale. It comes to re. Ki bhebe phirale mukho khani. Okay, sing the line. Ki bhebe phirale mukho khani. কি কথা ছিল যে মনে 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 কি দ্বিধা রেখে গেলে চলে. The peculiar quality of this song is the oboshan is not on Mone ki didha or anywhere in the first line. The symbol of oboshan is at the last of the song. So you will have to just read the notation and go along with it. Okay, if you have Mone ki didha in between, it will be written in the notation. Okay, so with an oboshan sign, you know that you need to come back to the sthai and again go back. You have a jugal dando, which indicates that you should come back to the first line. In this song, you do not have a jugal dando. You have a double jugal dando at the end of the song, which means that you start the song and you end the song at the last. You don't come back to the sthai. Okay, let's again sing the first two lines. Then we'll go to the antara. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Mone ki didha rekhe gele chole, shedin bhora shanche, jete jete duaro hote, কি ভেবে ফিরালে মুখো খানি. কি কথা ছিল যে মনে 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 কি দ্বিধা রেখে গেলে চলে. Okay, now we'll go to the antara. It says, তুমি সে কি হেসে গেলে আঁখি কোণে, আমি বসে বসে ভাবি নিয়ে কম্পিত হৃদয়খানি, তুমি আছো দূর ভুবনে. This means, was there a slight smile at the corner of your eye? I sit and wonder with fear in my heart while you remain in the distant land. Okay, now we'll learn the next two lines. It starts with pa. Tumi sheki heshe gele akhi kone ami boshe boshe bhabi. Here for the first time you have Shuddha Ma. Okay, and you know this is the quality of the rag Yaman Kalyan, where Ma comes as a surprise and Ma comes as a real relief in the rag structure. Okay, so when you sing this line, Tumi shiki heshe gele akhi kone ami boshe boshe bhabi. So this is the Ma, this is the Shuddha Ma, but you are coming to this Ma through Karima. Ami boshe boshe, this is Karima. Ami boshe boshe bhabi, this is Shuddha Ma. Okay, so this is the peculiar structure of this rag, and this is where the sweetness of the rag is actually. Okay, so you have to sing this line very properly. And you have 2-3 meers here. Meer is when you roll from one note to the other. Okay, so Tumi sheki heshe, this is the first meer. Tumi sheki heshe gele, there is a touch note here. Heshe gele akhi kone, there is a long meer. Akhi kone, and we come to pa. Okay, sing these two lines. Tumi sheki heshe gele akhi kone ami boshe boshe bhabi niye kumpito hridayo khani. Again, you have a straight note. Niye kumpito hridayo khani. Instead of this, you have 2 touch notes, which are re. And since we have those touch notes, you'll sing this like Niye kumpito hridayo khani. Niye kumpito hridayo khani. Okay, and you have a repeat sign, so you will repeat this line. Tumi sheki heshe gele chole gele akhi kone ami boshe boshe bhabi niye kumpito hridayo khani. Okay, this line should be repeated. Okay, now sing these 2 lines. Tumi sheki heshe gele akhi kone ami boshe boshe bhabi niye kumpito hridayo khani. Tumi acho dur bhuvane. I'll just sing the last line. Tumi acho dur bhuvane. Again. Tumi acho dur bhuvane. Okay, sing the last line. Tumi acho dur bhuvane. Mone ki didha rekhe gele chole. Okay, and since we are not going back to the sthai, this is the only thing that you can sing. Okay, this is written in the notation, and this you can't repeat. Shedin, bhara saje, and so on. Okay, now let's go to the Sanchari part, which says আকাশে উড়িছে বকপাতি বেদনা আমার তারি সাথী বারেকো তোমায় সুধা বারে চাই দিস ইজ দ্য আভোগ পার্ট বারেকো তোমায় সুধা বারে চাই বিদায় কালে কি বলো নাই সে কি রয়ে গেল গো সিক্ত জুথির গন্ধ বেদনে If translated to English, this would mean the herons fly in the distant sky. The pain keeps them company. The pain is my pain. My pain keeps them company. The next line says, the Abhog says, I need to ask you again and again what words you kept unsaid when you left. Do they linger in the painful bouquet of the moist blooms? Okay, let's now sing the song from the Shanchari. আকাশে উড়েছে বকপাতি বেদনা আমার তারি সাথী আকাশে উড়েছে বকপাতি বেদনা আমার তারি সাথী আকাশে উড়েছে বকপাতি Sing with me. আকাশে উড়েছে বকপাতি বেদনা আমার তারি সাথী আকাশে উড়েছে বকপাতি বেদনা আমার তারি সাথী আকাশে উড়েছে This is where you end. So, when you are repeating this line, Bokopati onwards, you won't repeat the line. Okay, so you have a second bracket which starts from Akashi Udiche Bokopati, and the second bracket ends after Tari Shathi. But you have a first bracket which starts from Bokopati and ends at Tari Shathi, which means that you will only, when you're repeating, you will only sing Akashe Udiche. Okay, and then you go to the next line or the next stanza, the Abhog part of it. And you have a Shurantar, or you have a changed tune when you come back on Akashe, which is when you're starting the line, you say Akashe, it's a saga ga ga, Akashe udiche. Okay, when you come back, you sing Akashe udiche, Akashe udiche. Okay, sing the two lines. আকাশে উড়েছে বকপাতি বেদনা আমার তারি সাথী আকাশে উড়েছে বারেকো তোমায় সুধা বারে চাই বিদায় কালে বারেকো তোমায় সুধা বারে চাই বিদায় কালে কি বলো নাই শিখির Okay, we'll move on to the next line. Here the lines are বারেকো তোমায় সুধা বারে চাই বিদায় কালে কি বলো নাই. The word বিদায় কালে has got a very interesting story which I should share with you, where Shailajaranjan Mujumdar writes, Rabindranath was rehearsing for Borsha Mongol with singers from Kolkata and Shantiniketan to be staged at Chhaya Auditorium. The hall was pretty large, and from the last row, the voices were not audible because they were singing without microphones. So it was discovered that solo voices were not audible from the last rows, and Tagore instructed that either the scale has to be raised or convert all the solo songs to chorus. Obviously, the singers who were supposed to sing was very disappointed. As in, singers were singing solo songs were quite disappointed. And Tagore said that he was feeling helpless. One female singer came and said that she is willing to sing a duet only if Tagore sings with her. So Tagore was in a very helpless situation. Uma Basu, who was supposed to sing Mone Ki Didha, this song, was finding it difficult to sing because the scales were raised to make the sound audible. And she was finding problems to sing this particular line, Bidaye Kale Ki Bolo Nai. So the tune was changed by Tagore, and instead of saga, it was changed to a constant sa. So the tune became Bidaye Kale Ki Bolo Nai. Okay, so if you get an old recording where the Bidaye Kale is like Bidaye Kale with a straight sa, this is also Tagore's tune. Okay, so this is a very interesting story. But now, since you do not have Tagore with you, so you have to sing whatever is there in the notation. Now sing the song. Start from Bare Ko Tumhai. Bare ko tumhai shudha bare chai biday kale ki bolo nai. Sing it. Bare ko tumhai shudha bare chai biday kale ki bolo nai. Repeat. Bare ko tumhai shudha bare chai biday kale ki bolo nai. When you're repeating the line, in the first line it was like Biday kale ki bolo nai. Okay? When you're repeating, nai would be only 2 beats. And you have the next line coming in, Sheki roe gelo go. Okay, so in the next line it should be Biday kale ki bolo nai Sheki roe gelo go. Okay, you don't linger with this with nai. Okay, sing it the next time. Sing the second line. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Bare ko tumhai shudha bare chai biday kale ki bolo nai Sheki roe gelo go shikto juthiro gandho bedone mone mone. I'll sing it once more. Sheki roe gelo go Sheki roe gelo go Sheki roe gelo go shikto juthiro gandho bedone. Again the Shuddha Ma coming in. Shikto juthiro gandho bedone mone mone. Okay, sing it. Biday kale ki bolo nai Sheki roe gelo go shikto juthiro gandho bedone mone mone ki didha rekhe gele chole. And the song ends here. You don't go back to Shedin, Bhora Saje, etc. Okay, since we have the Oboshan sign here. Okay, and if you want to repeat, you have to repeat the entire song if you technically judge this notation. Okay, so now you're through with all the tunes of the lines that we sang together. Now sing the entire song. We'll conclude this episode with the entire song. Okay, let's start. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4.
যেতে যেতে দুয়ারো হতে কি ভেবে ফিরালে মুখখানি এই কথা ছিল যে মনে হাতে বেদনা আমার, তারি সাথে আকাশে উড়েছে বারে গো তোমায় শুধাবারে চাই বিদায় কালে কি বলো নাই বারে গো তোমায় শুধাবারে চাই বিদায় কালে কি বলো নাই সে কি রয়ে